Hello everyone, my name is El Shaddai from Focus School of Languages. For today, we're going to see about parts of speech. Words in a sentence are divided into 8 according to their function in it. ክፋላት ንግግር ቃላት ኣብ ሙሉእ ሓሳብ ዘለዎም ተግባር ኣብ 8 ይምቀሉ ኖማዓንቲ 4 ንሪና The first one is noun. Noun is a word that we use for giving a name to a person, place, things, ideas, and actions. ንተግባራት ንስማት ንሓሳባት ንደቂ ሰባት ወይ ንነገራት ዝወሃቡ ሽማት ናውን ተባሂሎም ይጽውሩ ንኣብነት The girl spoke sweetly to the manager. Here, the girl and the manager are names given to the person. እታጓል እቲ ሓላፊ ወይ እቲ ተዋጻጻሪ ልብል ንዞም ሰባት ዝተዋሃበ ሽም እዩ Right? Okay. Other examples like Abel, dog, teacher, music are what? Nouns. Abel is a name given to a person. Dog is a name given to what? Animal. Teacher also for a person, and music is for also music animal, right? Okay, let's proceed to the second one. The second one is pronoun. Pronoun, a word that we use in a place of noun, is called what? Pronoun. Pronoun ማለት ከክንድስም ክንብል ከለና ኣብ ንትንስም ተኪኡ ዝመጽእ ማለት እዩ An example, he, I, she, it, you, they, we ልሉ እዚኦም ኩሎም ታዮም ማለት እዩ ከክንዲ ስም እሳ ንሱ ንሳቶም ንሳተን ልሉ ቃላት ማለት እዩ Okay, so example, she gave him a water to drink. She ልብል pronoun ንመን ይተኪኡ መጽእ ማለት እዩ ነታ ጓል ልብል ማለት እዩ ወይ እንደገና ሽም ክኾን ይኽእል እዩ Example, Betty gave him a water to drink. Betty ከክንዲ ምባል ወይ እንደገና ኣብቲ ልዕሊ ስም ተተኪኡ ንምምጻእ pronoun ንጥቀም ኢና ማለት እዩ Okay, let's proceed to the third one. Adjective. A word that describes a noun is called what? Adjective. Adjective ማለት ገላጺ ንመን ይገልጽ ንስም ልገልጽ ኩሉ ሻዕታ ይባል ማለት እዩ Adjective ወይ እንደገና ገላጺ ንኣብነት Beautiful. This tells us how much she is beautiful. ቆንጆ ንማል ማለት እዩ Red, ቀይሕ color. Short is how like appearance ይልገልጸልና ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ዝሰብ ነዊሕ ድዩ ሓጺር ድዩ ልኾነ ነገር ንምፍላይ ወይ ነገራት ንምፍላይ እንደገና ቀይሕ ድዩ ጸሊም ድዩ ኢልና identify big ንብልተነ the size it describes the size ዓብይ ድዩ ንእሽተይ ድዩ ዝሮ እዚ ንህቦም ሽማት ብደንቢ precise ንምዃን ይጠቕመና ማለት እዩ Okay, the little girl and the tall man, brown dog, lulu ማለት እዩ The little girl እዛ ጓል ንስነታ ሃመይ ንእሽተይ ድያ ዓባይ ድያ ልብል ይገልጸልና ማለት እዩ And also the tall man. This is describing the man. Here the man is noun, right? So tall is an adjective and describes what? The man. ሰብኣይ ነዊሕ ድዩ ሓጺር ድዩ ይገልጸልና ኣሎ Brown dog. Things more identify ንምንጓር ይጠቕመና ማለት ስለዚ ቡኒ ከለር ዘለዎ ከልቢ ኢላ ንፈልለና ማለት እዩ Okay? So third one is verb. Verb is a word that tells us what someone or something did. ሓደ ሰብ ወይ ሓደ ነገር ልፈጸሞ ድርጊት እንታይ ገይሩ ልኾነ ሙሉእ ሓሳብ መስሪትናስ እዚ ሰብሱስ እንታይ ገይሩ ወይ እንታይ ፈጺሙ ንምብል ዝብል ሕቶ ዝምልሰልና እንታይ ማለት እዩ verb Okay, example, the little girl spoke sweetly to the manager. እዛ ጓል ንዚ ማኔጀር እንታይ ኢላቶ ንዝብል ጥያቄ ዝምልሰልና እንታይ እዩ she spoke to him ተናጊራቶ ወይ ዋጋዓቶ ልብል መልሲ ይህበና ማለት እዩ Okay, so for today those are like 4 of them, but we're going to see the other in the other class. Thank you so much.